welcome to MathMate is with Monolamtong. In today's video, we will be doing the grade 12 question paper for NCS 2017 question 1. The first question that we will look at is 3x squared plus 10x plus 6. So when you are given this question, you will be asked to solve for x and leave your answer in decimal. So when they say leave your answer in decimal, what should come in your mind is the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula goes as minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This should come into your mind. Now, you should remember that 3 is your a, 10 is your b, and 6 is your c. So we are going to substitute a with 3, b with 10, and c with 6. Okay? So now let's go and do it. We will have x equal to minus, our b is 10, plus minus, b again, 10 squared, minus 4, a is 3, our c is 6. Okay, we divide this by 2, our a is 3. Okay, so because really you're using the quadratic formula, you can write this 2 times. The first one, you will write it with a plus only, and then the second one, you write it with a minus only. So you will have 2 answers. So your first answer will be x is equal to, you use your calculator. I recommend the Casio, that you use this Casio, and put your calculation as it is to avoid making mistakes, right? So your first x will be minus 0.78, and the other x, or x will be equal to minus 2.55. So this is how your question 1.1, the first question, will look like. Alright, now let's go to the second question. The second question that you will be given is find x when you are given the square root of 6x squared minus 15 is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so when you have this question, the first thing is we want to remove the square root by squaring both sides. So I will repeat the question and write the square root of 6x squared minus 15 is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so I will square both sides. Square, square, to remove the square root. So this side I'll be left with 6x squared minus 15 equal to, I will expand this, x plus 1, x plus 1. Right? Here we go. So now, let me simplify this side. So I have 6x squared minus 15 equal to, this, you can FOIL it out, will give you x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay? So if you know how to do the FOIL method, it should be very easy for you to expand this side. Alright, now let's subtract the like terms. You can bring everything to the other side so that you can subtract the like terms. So we'll have 6x squared minus x squared minus 2x minus 15 minus 1 equal to 0. So this will give us 5x squared minus 2x minus 16 equal to 0. So when you get to this point, there are different methods you can use to find your final step. You can use the quadratic formula again, which is very easy. If you memorize the quadratic formula, or sometimes they give it to you, then you can be able to find x. Or you can use the calculator. In the calculator, if you have this calculator, you can press mode, then you press 5, then you press 3. Then you put your coefficients, which is 5, minus 2, and 16. Then you will just get your final x's. Alright? So what I'll do here, I will put 2 brackets equal to 0. and I will say factors of the first term is 5x and x. Factors of the second term is 8 and 2, so I'll write 2 here, and I'll write 8, because when I multiply 5 times 2, it will give me 10, and 8 times x will give me 8x, which will give me 2 at the end, okay? So this one will be plus minus. So my final answer, x, will be equal to minus 8 over 5, or x equal to 2. So this is your final answer for the first question, right? So let's move to the third question and see what we can get for answers. Okay, let me